Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At let's see kung ano ang energies ng inyong money, career, finances. Ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Sag, let's see your money, career, finances, kaperahan for Sagittarius. Wow, meron daw new beginnings. May alignment ng new beginning for you. New career, new business opportunity, bagong mindset pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera. Perseverance. Ay, maaring kayo magiging excited about your new beginning. Like, ano tong sinisimulan mo, tong bagong trabaho, bagong source of income. You really want to make this work. And then, choices. Marami kang options available para sa'yo. Which is good, no? Kasi, ibig sabihin, makakapili ka kung saan ka mas nag-a-align. So, is this a new career, new business, new job? What else for Sagittarius? Six of Cups, overall energy reunion. Okay, I think part ng choice, isa sa mga pagpipilian mo, is kung may babalikan ka. No? Babalikan na dati mong career, trabaho, business, or dating source of income. You wanna know if it's feasible. Kasi minsan ganun di ba? Dati nating career or work na sa panahon ngayon, mas okay na bumalik doon. No? Or may pinag-iisipan kang anything related sa pagbabalik sa hometown, home country, to start fresh. Your challenge is the sun. Ang challenge mo is yung confidence mo. Kung kaya mo ba, meron ka bang sapat na lakas, tiwala sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Of course. So, yun yung i-generate mo. Yun yung mas pagtitibayan mo. Your opportunity, the Queen of Wands. Very creative. Also upbeat. You are aligning yourself to your energy, Sagittarius. This is about someone who likes to express yung kanyang talents and skill set through creative work. Pwede rin travel opportunities, no? Kung gusto niyo mag-abroad, like dati nakapag-abroad ka, babalik ka ulit. Your blessing is the Three of Pentacles, which is about collaboration, expansion, working with others. So, maaring meron kang blessing na merong makikilala ka or friend na tutulong sa'yo para mas lalo mo mapaunlad ang iyong career. Pwedeng papasok kayo sa negosyo ng kaibigan or business partner. May business partnership. Okay? Let's see what else. Kailangan lang daw kalmado, no, na pagdaanan ng sitwasyon na to. May mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado and that's fine. Pag hindi mo kontrolado, edi i-surrender mo kasi mas-stress ka lang. Oy, may career growth. Yes. Merong career growth. Opportunities are coming your way. So, wag ka raw sayang ng oras para ma-improve mo ang iyong finances. And of course, kailangan may backup plan ka pagdating sa kung ano yung mangyayari or ipupurso mo just in case hindi mag-work yung isa sa mga pagpipilian mo, isa sa mga choices mo. Ganun naman, 'di ba? May plan A, plan B, plan C. Okay. Yes, you are also setting your goals, your financial goals. Importante kasi alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo ma-achieve. Kasi otherwise wala kang direction, 'di ba? Innovative thinking. Cultivate mo ang pag-iisip ng mas futuristic i-embrace mo ang creativity, mga bagong perspective na i-consider mo when it comes to dealing with your career or business. May mga bago na i-explore, susubukan. The time is right to release old patterns. O meron kang i-release na old patterns that is no longer serving you. You are ready to embrace change and be open to new beginnings. Kaya meron ditong mga choices available sa'yo. Ikaw ang pipili niyan. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. May growth. 'Di ba? Make sense. Advancement, career growth. O, growth ng inyong business, kung may business kayo. Growth ng inyong finances. Kung meron kayong ipon, mas dadami ang ipon ninyo. And I think, no, magda-diversify rin kayo ng inyong resources, ng inyong income. Hindi lang isa ang magiging income nyo kasi meron kayong mga options. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.